Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, welcome to our channel where we explore all things beauty and hair related. Today, we're diving into a review of the 30-inch 6113 13x6 lace front wig human hair. This is a human hair wig in a striking blonde shade, and we're going to break down everything you need to know about it. Let's jump right in. This 6113 lace front wig is crafted from 100% unprocessed Brazilian virgin human hair. The 12A grade hair is soft, clean, and free from tangles, which is a good start when you're considering the quality of the hair. It's been designed with an invisible HD lace frontal, which is supposed to blend seamlessly with all skin tones. The wig also boasts a 200 density for a full and thick look, complete with pre-plucked baby hairs and small bleached knots. These features are meant to provide a natural-looking hairline, saving you time on customization. The wig is a 13x6 lace front, meaning you get a bit more freedom with parting, which is great if you like to experiment with different looks. It's also available in a medium cap size, 22.5 inches, with adjustable straps and 4 combs for a secure fit. The 613 blonde shade is bold and vibrant, and the body wave texture adds some natural-looking volume and movement. In terms of real-world testing, I found that the wig is quite versatile. The styling possibilities are impressive with the deep parting space, allowing you to experiment with side, middle, or even free parts. If you're someone who loves high ponytails, this wig holds up well in that style too. It also felt comfortable throughout the day, with no itching or discomfort from the lace. As for performance, the wig lived up to expectations, but I did notice a few areas where it could improve. The HD lace is quite soft, but some may find it a bit delicate, so handling it with care is essential. Also, while the pre-plucked hairline looks natural out of the box, you may still want to tweak it a bit to your personal preference. Now let's break down the pros and cons. Pros: the 6113 blonde color is bold and striking, perfect for a dramatic look. The HD lace is soft and invisible, creating a seamless blend with your scalp. Great styling flexibility with the deep 13x6 parting space. Pre-plucked hairline and baby hairs make it look more natural. 200 density provides a full and thick look. Cons: the lace can be delicate, so extra care is needed during wear. Despite the pre-plucked hairline, it might still require some personal customization for the best look. The wig may not be ideal for those looking for a low-maintenance option, as a little styling is required. Value for money. This wig offers good value for the price if you're looking for a high-density, natural-looking blonde lace front wig. The quality of the hair and the attention to detail with the pre-plucked hairline and bleached knots are definitely positives. However, for the price, some might find the lace too delicate for everyday wear. It's a solid investment if you're seeking a versatile and premium wig. Comparisons. Compared to other wigs on the market in this price range, this one stands out due to its 200 density and the high-quality HD lace. Some alternatives may offer similar features, but this wig's 13x6 lace provides more styling flexibility than many others in its category. The main difference comes in the density, where this wig offers a thicker and fuller look compared to others that might feel more lightweight. The construction of the wig feels solid overall. The human hair is soft and doesn't tangle easily, and the lace is soft yet durable enough to withstand styling. As mentioned earlier, the lace does require a bit of care, especially when adjusting or washing the wig, so be mindful of that to ensure longevity. In terms of customer support, I didn't have direct interactions with the brand, but based on the product quality and the fact that the wig comes with a detailed setup guide, it seems like a reputable brand. If you're after a similar look for a lower price, there are other options in the market, but they may not offer the same level of density or natural hairline features as this 613 wig. Cheaper alternatives may also lack the high-quality HD lace that helps blend seamlessly with your scalp. Final verdict: the 30-inch 613 13x6 lace front wig is a solid option if you're in the market for a bold blonde wig with styling flexibility. The 200 density and HD lace make it stand out in terms of natural look and versatility. While it requires some care to maintain, especially with the delicate lace, It offers great value for those looking for a high-quality, dramatic look. If you're into blonde wigs and need something versatile for different occasions, this could be a great addition to your collection. If this review helped, like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other wig enthusiasts can find this video too. Thank you so much for watching today's review on Beautyistic. If you have any questions or if you already own this wig, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. See you next time on Beautyistic, where we always bring you the best of beauty and beyond.